Hello everyone. Today I have came with another topic, fraction. This is for class 7. So let's start. If a number is given in the form of a upon b, then we call it fraction. And here a is numerator and b is denominator. The types of fractions are, first one is decimal fraction, whose denominator is any of the number 10, 100, 1000, etc. Examples are 5 upon 10, 14 upon 100, 3 upon 1000. So decimal fraction में denominator 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 ये सब होता है. Clear? Another one is vulgar fraction, whose denominator is a whole number other than 10, 100, 1000, etc. Examples are 4 upon 9, 9 upon 13, 27 upon 109 and etc. Vulgar fraction में denominator 10, 100, 1000 ये सब नहीं होता है. इनसे अलग कोई भी whole number रहेगा. Clear? Moving to the another one, proper fraction. In this, numerator is less than the denominator. 3 upon 7, 5 upon 12, 11 upon 23, these are proper fraction. And every proper fraction is less than 1. क्योंकि कोई भी proper fraction ले लीजिए आप, like I'm taking 5 upon 12. जब हम इनको डिवाइड करेंगे 12 से 5 को, तो पॉइंट लगा के फिर डिजिट्स को हम आगे डिवाइड को बढ़ाएंगे, तो आंसर जो क्वेश्चन है इसका वो 1 से छोटा ही आएगा. ओके, क्लियर? अनदर पॉइंट इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. हियर न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर देन द डिनोमिनेटर. द एग्जाम्पल्स आर 13 अपॉन 4, 23 अपॉन 5, 41 अपॉन 9. इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होता है और डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होता है. अनदर वन इज मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन, a number which can be expressed as sum of a natural number and a proper fraction. मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में एक नेचुरल नंबर रहेगा, उसके साथ में एक प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन रहता है. इस फॉर्म में फ्रैक्शन दिया रहता है मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन में. ओके, हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, this one is the second video of the same topic, fraction. In the last video we have discussed about proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Let's take some example how we convert improper fraction into mixed fraction and vice versa. Here is the example. Convert the following number into an improper fraction. Here it is a mixed fraction. सो इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में बनाने के लिए इसको सिंपली 7 से 5 में मल्टीप्लाई करना है और उसके बाद जो भी आंसर आता है उसमें 3 ऐड करना है. 7 5 से 35, 35 प्लस 3 38. इट इज़ एन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. अनदर एग्जाम्पल, कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग नंबर इनटू अ मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन. 43 अपॉन 5, इट इज़ एन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. 5 से 43 को डिवाइड करना है मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन बनाने के लिए. So we get 3 as remainder and 8 as quotient. So this is the mixed fraction. We put 8 here and 3 upon 5. 8 and 3 upon 5. This is the required number. Let's take some point to discuss. Equivalent fraction. A given fraction and the fraction obtained by multiplying or dividing its numerator and denominator by the same number, then we get equivalent fraction. Like I'm taking 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 में जब मैं किसी भी एक नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में, we get 8 upon 10. One more time I'm taking 4 upon 5 and now this time I'm multiplying it by 3. Then we get 12 upon 15. So these 4 upon 5, 8 upon 10 and 12 upon 15 are equivalent fraction. Like fractions and unlike fraction. These are very easy to understand, students. fractions having the same denominator are like fractions, and fractions having the different denominator are unlike fractions. You can see that 2 upon 11, 8 upon 11, 5 upon 11, 10 upon 11, here the denominator are same, and here in these fractions these having the different denominator. So we can clearly say that these are unlike fraction. Now if the question is given like this, that 5 upon 6, 7 upon 9, 11 upon 12, and we need to convert these fraction into like fraction, then how we will convert it? First of all, we need to find the LCM of these denominator. So the LCM of these numbers are here. LCM is 36. After that, I'm taking the first fraction, 5 upon 6 here. Then the denominator is 6 here, and the required denominator is 36. Then now I'm multiplying it by 6. तो जैसे हमने इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन में अभी देखा था, डिनोमिनेटर में जिस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है, न्यूमरेटर में भी हमें वो ही नंबर लेना होता है. सो 6 into 6 36, and after that 5 into 6 30. Another fraction is 7 upon 9. Now we need to multiply it by 4 to make it 36. 4 upon 4 दोनों में multiply किया तो 28 upon 36. Another fraction is 11 upon 12. 3 by 3 से इनको multiply किया, 33 upon 36. So clearly we can say that 30 upon 36, 28 upon 36, and 33 upon 36, these are now become like fractions. Okay, this one is irreducible fractions. A fraction a upon b is called an irreducible, or in lowest term, if HCF of a and b is 1. For example, 3 upon 5. So here we can say that the HCF is 1. किसी भी नंबर से ये दोनों कट नहीं हो रहे हैं, and the common factor we get 1. So it is already into the simplest form. Also it is irreducible fraction. And if the HCF of a and b is other than 1, then it is said to be reducible. Now if the fraction is given like this, 84 upon 98, and we need to convert it into irreducible form, then how we will convert? Firstly, we need to find the HCF, and here is the HCF. 84 and 98 का HCF is जो कि है 14. Okay, you have already know how we find the HCF of the given number. So मैं directly इधर से 14 ले लेती हूँ. Now we divide 14 into numerator and denominator. 84 and 98 को 14 से जब divide किया, 6 upon 7 is the required number. So 84 upon 98 in irreducible form is 6 upon 7. Clear, students? I hope I am clear to everyone. Thank you so much for watching.